I'm trying to locate the waterfall. So listen to the sounds of the waterfall. Welcome back. You can see the water. The place is very beautiful. And we have a walkway right in the forest. Can't believe this. The place is looking so amazing, so beautiful. Wow, who never imagined we can have. You can see the way the creepy trees and the roots are. It's very beautiful. I can locate the water. And the sound of the water is so refreshing and clear. Wow. Wow. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. I can't imagine. Twende kazi tutembee. Maeneo haya ni mandhari ya kupendeza. Tizama vile mizizi ya kila aina ya miti inavyopakatia mawe. Tizama vile maeneo haya inapendeza. Ni mandhari ambayo inapendeza. Maeneo haya yalivyo. Just check the roots, guys. Check the roots. Welcome back again. We have the cave. We have the cave. It's looking really awesome and beautiful. We have big trees, massive trees. Just see for yourself. Wow. Just see the cave. Very beautiful scenery. Oh my God. This is a very beautiful scenery. Nimefika katika maeneo haya, nimepata pango kubwa la ajabu. Hilo liko juu yake ni miti mmoja ambayo imekuwa na hizi ni mizizi yake imeweza kushikilia na kujistiri chini hapa. Tuangalie karibu. Pango hili ni kubwa mno na ya kupendeza, ni ajabu. You can see the water is trickling down. Pango la ajabu. I've never seen such a thing on my life. Such a wonderful thing. Trees. Hey, it's a good combination. So let's move ahead and see. You can hear the sounds of the water. Wow. This is a very beautiful scenery. Let's keep moving. Tizama maeneo haya. Tizama. And we have very, very huge trees, very massive trees. Let's move, guys. There are so many things, so many features we can watch along. And we have a little bridge. This place is looking very beautiful. Eh? I'm glad we came this way, and we have more caves. Have you seen the other cave? Eh? I think when we follow this part, we'll find the main waterfall. Eh? Let's check the caves first. Wow, so beautiful. From a distance, there's a cave. Wow, it's a combination of caves, Very tall trees, the waterfalls, creepy trees. Yeah, let's move. This place is worth coming. For those of you who are in Nairobi and they have never visited this place, kindly find your way out here. Find your way into the caves. Wow. Karibu katika maeneo hizi. Let's get into the cave. Locate me, guys. I'm in the cave. Subscribe to Adventure Sagas. This is the first cave. Let me show you the second cave. I don't know whether you can see me, but you can hear. Subscribe to Adventure Sagas. Subscribe to Adventure Sagas. This forest is looking so good. So awesome. Come on, let's get ahead. Let's get ahead. Nimetembea katika maeneo hii ya forest. Kuna pango kubwa ambayo linapendeza. Tazama pango hili. Natumaini tutembee mbele na mbele na mbele tupate ujumbe zaidi na kufurahia. Let's get ahead, guys. So let's move ahead. I show you the caves. This is the first cave. It's a small one. The camera cannot show you so well. And it's drizzling a lot. We have water drizzling from. This is the next forest, the next cave. It's dark here. I can see. It's like some wild animals are living here. Just see it. Let me light up the camera. I'm inside the cave, as you can see. It's like some wild animals are living here. Something ran into me. It really scared me. There are butterflies. So this is the big channel. Let's shout subscribe to Adventure Sagas. Let the cave hear that Adventure Sagas is bringing adventures and showing it to the world. So let's keep moving up. Let's keep moving up, guys. The place is really looking very beautiful and amazing. My fellow packers have left me. You can hear them talking. Just see where we've come from. This is where we are heading. Hello there. How are you? How is your work?
Work is good.
You good? You're welcome to Karura Forest.
Yeah, thank you.
Have you seen the caves?
No, this is
We have two big caves here, and on the other side we have another beautiful and creepy fruits, creepy trees.
Oh, very good.
Very amazing and beautiful.
Super, super. Thank you.
You from where?
You are from India.
Oh, welcome. My name is
you.
Adventure Sagas from YouTube.
Okay.
These are our Indian friends. And
Yeah.
you know, you guys, Kenyans love Indians.
Yeah.
There are so many Indians here.
Indians here, yeah.
And I saw some fellow YouTubers going to India.
Yeah.
They were welcomed. I never know Indians are so welcoming that way. They are so welcome. We are like brothers.
Yeah.
You see all the Indians who have come here, they have built companies, they have employed lots and lots of employees. So we are so proud of you guys.
Oh,
Yeah, we love you. Welcome to.
Jambo.
Yeah. And check me on YouTube, Adventure Sagas.
What's your name?
Adventure Sagas.
Adventures?
Adventures.
Adventures Agas.
Sagas.
Sagas.
S-A-G-A-S. Yeah.
Put this video.
Yeah. Send
thanks,
send our warmest greetings to those guys who are there. Tell them to come. We are friendly. Sawa, eh? You know. Yes. You know Kiswahili?
Little bit.
Sema jambo Kenya.
Jambo.
Habari Kenya. Hakuna matata. No worries here. Thank you. So those are our travelers. They are fellow. They are from India. We love them. They are good guys. So let's climb up the hill. So right down here is where we have the cave. When you are up here, you can't really recognize and realize that there is a cave down here. I've been left behind. Let me keep moving. Karura Forest, we are told to respect you. We respect Karura Forest. Karura Forest, here we are. We are told never to throw litter around. We are told to respect Karura Forest. We enjoy the caves that you have. We enjoy the trees that you have. We enjoy the kind of refreshness that we have. So let's get ahead together, Karura. We have some paths up here. We are told there's a lily lake. Yeah, there's some good things to see there. So let's move and see. Adventures, I guess. So hi, how are you?
Hi.
Good.
Lovely.
You from where?
I'm from Belgium.
You from Belgium? How is Belgium?
Yeah. Belgium's nice. A
Nice?
lot colder than here.
Yeah.
So
Really?
I'm enjoying the nice temperature.
This much of coldness here is a trouble to us. We are not used to coldness.
In Belgium, it snowed this week.
It's snow.
So,
I've never seen snow. I really wish I could see and play with snow.
maybe you should come to Belgium one day.
Yeah, one day I'll be there. So my name is Adventure Sagason from YouTube. Yeah?
Lovely to meet
And
you.
I come from this area,
Yeah.
Nairobi, but born at the Rift Valley. That's another part of Kenya towards Uganda.
Yeah.
Yes, it's not really cold. It's Nandi Hills. We have hills there. We have trees, forest resemblance like this, but it's not that cold. Yeah. So welcome to Kenya. Feel free.
Thank you so much.
We say Kenya hakuna matata.
Kenya hakuna matata.
Yeah. So go and greet our brothers there, and find my channel Adventure Sagas and subscribe to it.
Lovely. Will
Thank
do.
you.
Enjoy your day.
Yeah. Have a good day. Yeah. So I've located the waterfall. You can read this. Let's locate the waterfall. Hello guys. We have the waterfall. We have water flowing. It's so amazing.
Is on the left.
Wow. Wow. Amazing features here. It's amazing. We have the waterfall. And we have a little bridge here. Guys, I can see we have some travelers here. A beautiful dog. Beautiful traveler. You're from where?
I'm from America.
How is your dog? Is it friendly or?
Yes.
Very friendly?
Yes, very.
How do you greet?
Anyway, he's a puppy.
Hi. So scared. No.
No, he's
Oh. Oh, she's looking really scary. Yeah, and the dog really didn't like me. So you can see this. Let's move and see the waterfalls. Wow. I'm gonna go down there and find the waterfall, guys. Come back. Just gonna go down there and locate the waterfall. Everything is truly amazing down here. Let's go down there and locate the waterfall. So we are trying to locate the waterfall. Let's be patient, guys. Everything here is really beautiful and inspiring. Wow. It's criminal offense to find, defense or kill Karura Forest plants. So let's respect that, eh? Wow. And down there we're going to locate the waterfall. You can hear the amazing sounds of the waterfall, the incredible sounds of the waterfall. Wow. 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 Guys, you can hear the sound of the waterfall. Let's get down. It's so steep, but we can find ourselves down there. You can see the waterfalls. Wow. Wow. This is so beautiful. Finally, we found the waterfall. Listen to the sounds of the waterfall. Photo hapa. Oh, sawa nimekelea. Sawa. Yeah. So welcome to Adventure Sagas. This is the waterfall. You can listen to the sounds of the waterfall. Wow. So beautiful. Very clear and beautiful. Come close. My name is Adventure Sagas. You can check me on YouTube. Yeah, you'll see yourself. Okay. This is an amazing waterfall. I do the vlog. Yes, I've been trying to locate it. And finally I found it. Yeah, thank you very much. So let's have fun. Let's have fun. Let's have a picture. We'll take Adventure Sagas. Welcome to Adventure Sagas. So, thank you. Hi. You're doing good. Wow. Thank you. So we have amazing friends here, amazing travelers. They are enjoying the waterfall. This is another part of the waterfall. I don't feel like to leave the place. I don't feel like to leave the place. Come to Karura Forest and enjoy the waterfall. Just see it for yourself. It's amazing how the water is moving. So that was the waterfall things. You can see, for those of you who haven't been here, you are missing incredible things. And the water flows down this way. From a distance, our waterfall. So let's move and see. Flows downhill further and further and join other many tributaries, and then further they go into Tana River, into the Red Sea, and further and they go. So let's move ahead. Subscribe to the channel Adventure Sagas as I bring you this beautiful content. Twende kazi. Yes, welcome back again. Here we are trying to locate another very important feature again, the K-Feet Center. K-Feet Center, Limuru Gate entrance. It's 26 kilometers, 2.6 kilometers. The K-Feet Center is 1.6 kilometers. I don't know what the K-Feet means. So going back again this way to the caves and to the Gate C. So let's try and locate some more and more important features as much as possible so that we can bring it to you. So one of the most important thing I've realized about our country, Kenya, is that we have very important features which are not well documented and marketed. We have people living around here close to the environs, and they don't even know such important feature is here, located here. It's only $0.9 entrance fee, and you find yourself here. You can come here by foot. For those of you who can walk long distances from the main road, it's like 3.7 kilometers to Gate C. So personally, I came by route, by walking, because I normally go for routine exercises, and I decided that this will be part of the exercises trying to locate Gate C. So find yourself here. I am moving around trying to find very important features. You've seen we have people from America, Poland, India, and other places. So let's find ourselves here and enjoy this beautiful country of ours, Kenya. Our charges are very reliable, very low. For non-residents is very low, and it's a bit high for guests from other countries. So let's walk around. I'm tempted to go down this way because I tend to like places where we have water. So let's try and locate and see. So here comes, we are now closer and back again to the path where we have a small bridge with water crossing. We call them water. My pronunciation takes me that way. So we have another small bridge. Let's see it. Let's see it and enjoy it. So just see it for yourself. These are the water, the upper side of the waterfall, and the water is collecting. So this is another part. We have the water collecting and going downhill so that it forms one big tributary, and we have the waterfall. Let's move, guys. I'm back. I just met some non-residents, and they have a small kid, and the kid really liked me. So the kid insisted that I go and greet their mom and the dad. I could not film that, but I love children. That's why I was going and greeted them. They are very happy. So let's keep moving. I'm feeling thirsty now. So welcome back again. Thank you for always coming along and watching this. So I decided to take a rest here a little bit. I've been walking around. So far I've seen different kind of trees. I've seen the waterfall. I have walked through different kinds of nature. There are caves, very beautiful caves. So that's where I've been, and I intend to go back again and see other features so that I keep on enjoying. So meanwhile, let me clean the mud as we have other people going around, and refresh so that I can walk around. Hi.
Same guy.
Yeah, the same guy.
Not like you twin or something.
No, I'm trying to refresh myself and take a.
Told me like you have a
Yes,
channel.
yes, I have a channel.
Let's see, try now.
Yeah, I'm called Adventures Sagas.
Adventures. What do you do,
Yes,
by the way?
I just
What's your niche,
do.
Vlogging or something?
Yeah, I
like that?
just do blogging and lifestyle.
It's YouTube. So
Yes, yes, do research. I call myself Adventures Sagas.
Adventures Sagas.
Yeah, this is me now. You can do that. Yeah. So you can see these are my videos.
You like a tour guide or something like that?
No, I'm
just
just
do it vlogging
I'm
by
just
yourself.
doing for fun and enjoying. I like to walk around
Okay, that's good. By the way.
and
At
document
the
all
same
the
time,
places.
this time you post on
Yes,
YouTube.
so that we don't lose where we've
Yeah.
been going.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
So you're having fun and enjoying.
yeah.
I continue. I'm taking a rest, and I'll continue. Okay. So we have a huge, very huge cave here. Very huge cave. Maybe I can go inside. Let me light up the camera. The camera is lit. Let's see. So we have very huge cave. Very huge cave. Thousands of people could live here. It's very cool. I don't know whether it's exfoliated itself or they cut it. We have bones and different kind of things. It looks like some people used to live here and it goats. So let's get ahead.